Uthuthuria uria ukoretwo ugitabanio ni maabithaa a borithi kuma mwena wa Juja kaunti-ini ya KIAMBU kuma mwaka muhituku wigie ikundi itiganite gwikuruhania na ciiko njikirire mukana ni uciarite matunda thutha wa maabithaa a borithi kuhithukira kigongona kimwe mwena wa Juja gia Kenda Muiyuru na guikia ngono arumiriri akio. Akiaria na andiki a mohoro, kamanda wa borithi mwena wa Juja Bernard Gogo ni ugite mahobanirie amemba gikundi giki kiria kirikanite gukorwo gigitabania magongona mekirire mukana na gwikuruhania na ciiko cia ugimaria wa AIRITU undu uria ni mugaru na watho.
We came to this place this morning with some information. There was a case we were investigating about an illegal sect which was conducting their businesses inside behind us. There is a shrine, and we are suspecting that they were conducting some harmful cultural rites.
Gogo ni ugite timu ya maabithaa a borithi iria ikoretwo gitabania uthuthuria niyo ihobanirie gikundi giki mathaa-ini ma kiroko na kuhithukia indo itiganite iria irerikana gukorwo ikihuthika magongona-ini mao ari hamwe na njohi ya muratina.
We came and we found they were actively on the sect in the shrine. So we have arrested a few members of the sect, some men and some few women for further investigations.
Hamwe na aria maikitio ngono firigiceni no ni arume, atumia hamwe na ciana.
It seems it has grown. They are still recruiting, and I understand it's like they just relocated here from another sub-county within KIAMBU where they were chased away, and now because maybe they came to hide in our sub-county, that is this Karimoni location.
Gogo ni arutite mukana kuri uria wothe wina riciria ria gwikuruhania na ciiko njikirire mukana kung'ethanirwo nake kiwatho guku akiuga uthuthuria wigie kigongona kiu ni wambiriirie.
And we have ordered that the sub-county security team we had deliberated on the same, and because it was being monitored, so we are about to cross this sect for further investigation.